Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the new LG tone-free earbuds with Dolby Atmos sound, as you can see here. This is going to be an unboxing, so let's take a quick look at what's on the outside of the box, and then we'll get to what's on the inside. You can see the case that they come in. It has UV nanotechnology. This is plug and wireless, so you can use these plugging into a headset, plug, an auxiliary jack, or completely wireless Bluetooth. This is the Tone T90Q. And back on the back here, you'll see a few of the other features. This has Meridian, clear and spatial sound. It has adaptive active noise cancellation. It has a graphene unit, IPX4 sweat and water resistance. It has a wireless charging case, multi-point and multi-pairing, and clear voice call quality with VPU. So let's open the box up. You can see it's the eco-friendly packaging. Open it up here. You've got the app that you'll download onto your phone or tablet. You've got simple instructions. Turn on your Bluetooth, open up the case, look for the Tone Bluetooth and connect to it, and then put it in your ear and you're ready to go. So here you go. Here is the case right here. Nice, easy to get that out. Set that to the side. We'll see what else comes in here. This is the case right here. Nice little round case. Very smooth. You can see you've got your Type-C charging port on the back, but of course it also supports wireless charging. You've got what looks like it's going to be your little LED indicators. Looks like there's one there, probably about charging, and one there, UV nano, probably to let you know about the UV part. And here you go. You've got that Dolby Atmos certification sticker in there. You can see this is Meridian sound. Now that I've opened this up, you can see that light is flashing. That means they're trying to, they're in pairing mode and ready to pair. Let's take the earbuds. This is like a magnetic case, so you can see when you put it down, it just goes right in there. You've got the little charging ports there, and that down in the bottom, that's your UV little LED, and that uses UV ultraviolet technology, ultraviolet light, to kill any germs that are on these anytime you put them back in the case. So that's really, really cool. And yeah, you can see you got that on both. Close that real quick, take a quick look at the earbuds themselves. Really beautiful, nice, shiny. This is like a dark gray is what this color is. You've got your right and left indicators on there. You've got your nice earbuds. And you can see this little speaker down inside there. And you've got, yeah, you've got, it looks like microphones on the top there. Those are going to be hard to see because the earbuds themselves are really dark, so between that and the light reflecting, but there is a microphone right there. And I think there's also, yeah, there's also a microphone right there at the end, if you can see that there at the tip. So they have several mics in order to monitor the sound for the active noise canceling and all that good stuff. But also just look really sick, really beautiful design. The little stem that sticks out, very short, very short stem that sticks out there. And yeah, so that's the earbuds themselves. I'm going to put those back in the box, or back in the case, and then we'll look at other parts of it. All right, get those back in. You can see right here, this is where you can switch this if you want to use the, instead of Bluetooth, you want to use the auxiliary jack. And I'm not exactly sure how that works. I'm going to have to read the instructions, but I think you can plug a USB-C to auxiliary thing into here, and then this, and then plug that into the auxiliary port, and then this will transmit the sound to the earbuds. So I think that's how that works, but it's pretty cool that you do have that option in case you were on an airplane or something and you wanted to watch a movie that's playing on the airplane. You could do that with these earbuds. Yeah, so here you go. That is the USB-C to auxiliary. So you plug this into the case and this into the plug, and if this isn't long enough, you can get other ones of these, longer ones of these, but that is available. and to use. So that's really, really cool that you can do that and use these with auxiliary jacks as well. Then you've got just your charger, that out of the way, your charger cable. This is your Type-C to USB charger cable. And then we've also got down here in the bottom, you've got your instruction book that gives you all the details, as well as 2 additional sizes of the little ear pieces, rubber ear pieces to go in the earbuds to go in your ear. So this is everything that comes in the box. You've got your charging cord, you've got your Type-C to auxiliary cord so that you can use these with an auxiliary jack if you need to. And then of course you've got the real star of the show, which is the earbuds themselves. And you can see that UV technology working in there. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That is going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ones are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.